inside out. Inside out. Let's flip it back. Okay, let's take a look.
Team, how you doing? It's Mo. I'm back with my Arrma Infraction BLX 6S that I've widened and converted to run off-road. The last time we connected on this vehicle, we did a speed test with these Deer Tracks lockup tires. We did 64, and we actually put the D-boot hoons on there. In comparison, it did 58. Today, it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna see if this widened off-road conversion can bash at the construction site and take some jumps. Let's go.
All right, Arrma Infraction, widened off-road conversion. I guess, let's see if this thing has enough ground clearance to take some jumps, because that's what I wanted from this thing. Okay, that's a little something, something. Like I said, I did this conversion because I do burn through the D-boot hoons quick. So, let's see if it can actually do things. Well, that's some air. Decent. Let's bring it back to see if I can get a better run up. Well, that's pretty decent. Ouch, that hurts. Let's walk it over here to the bigger stuff. This is some hard pack over here. It rips. It's like an off-road maniac. Gotta love that. I guess the ultimate question is, does it have enough ground clearance to make it through this rough stuff up this hill and over? That would be a no, but let's make another attempt at it, or we'll go back to the littler one. I mean, it's trying. Such a beast, though. Look at that thing go. So much fun stock gearing. Don't want to take too much energy out of it, though, because it will burn through the battery quick. Back over here at the littler jump. Let's get a run up on it. Okay, I'm probably gonna blow a tire doing this. That is literally like a quarter trigger, though. It's ripping. Bring it back again through the rough stuff. Power through it, but man, that takes some trigger. Bring it back around at us. Let me get a better line of sight on it. Oh, we blew a tire in the back. We had to have. That thing was, no, it was just ballooning. Ouch. Gosh, that is a blast. It does kick up some rocks, though. All right, let's bring it back for another jump. I am just plowing through that. So, you can tell, not a ton of ground clearance on this sucker. Gonna need some tighter terrain to actually get some real air. But that was decent air. I mean, it rides so low, it's not like I'm riding a buggy even. I mean, this thing's a lowrider truck. But, like I said, widened off-road conversion, very fun. This is exactly what I had in mind for it. Let's see if I can get a good line of sight. I mean, seriously? That thing dips out though. Let me bring it back again. I mean, it just, what the heck? Oh, I'm nose deep. Oh, look, we did lose a tire. Look at that thing. It's in this tire. Hey, this thing is inside out. Inside out. Let's flip it back. Oh goodness. We got some glue work to do. You see, that thing was inside out, straight up. Straight up. Look at this. Let's flip it back. Let's complete the run. Oh goodness. All right. Well, I guess let's get a couple more jumps while we still got some rubber on it. Rubber's still on. Oh wait, no. Let's fix it again. This tire is coming unglued, folks. We're gonna ride it till we don't have one anymore. All right. Let's see what it's worth again. Let's get a good line of sight on it. It's literally hanging on. 3/4 ripped off. I hope you can see that. Look at that thing. Well, we still got tire. Let's go. Okay. Bring it back in. Let's get a good line on it. That tire's fluttering. Bring it back. Look at that tire. Oh, it's mad. Oh, and see if we can reset it. All right, let's get this tire back on. Well, not back on, but back around the rim. Oh, this thing is pissed off. I couldn't even reset it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's back. Bring it back at us. 3 tire. Well, if this thing starts on fire today, it's so pissed off. Okay, let's take a look. Ah! Oh, that thing is on fire. Holy. Ah. Oh, geez. Okay, note to self. Stock gearing gets hot. Oh, my finger. That's why this thing is not turning back on right now. Oh, goodness. Woo! Oh, it's upset. Oh, there it goes again. Oh, is it happy? Oh, it's mad. Look at all the rocks inside of there. Oh, Lord. Oh, it's ready. You know, as they say, let's ride it till the wheels fall off, or I guess the lipo burns off. Adding some more rocks to the collection in there. I guess let's take a couple more jumps before it's really mad and it's on fire. That was not a good angle. Coming across. 3 tire Tommy. Ouch. Tommy. Ouch. I just ate so many rocks. Oh, it's happy on the reset. Let's bring it back. Oh no. We gotta flip the rubber back on. Look at this tire. I hope you can see it. This thing. Is fan on? Oh. Okay, the fan is on. There are, I hope you can, look at how many rocks are inside of there. Oh goodness. All right. See if we can get another jump. Almost got that backflip. Oh, let's see if it survived it. It didn't break anything. Almost got that backflip. That's pretty impressive. Well, let's see if we can actually get it. 3-tire Tommy, can you backflip? Let's go. Not with that angle of approach. Oh, it's going. It's still going. It's still going. Look at that. It's still going. Look at that. Power drifted on 3 tires. Oh goodness. That's the LiPo team. We wore that sucker down or it's overheated. Let's bring it in. As always, team, it's a lot of fun. Appreciate you joining me today on this run of my Arrma Infraction BLX 6S. As a reminder, this has been widened and converted to run off-road. Like I said earlier in the video, I was burning through those D-boot hoons like every 3 packs. So, you know, me living in Minnesota and a lot of construction going on, I love to have different vehicles to run on construction sites. And I did this conversion a while back with this vision that, man, I'd love to jump this Infraction and run it in tight gravel. And today, we put it to the test. It couldn't get up those big, more taller, softer terrain jumps. But hey, man, it was hitting those little rock piles pretty decent. We did overheat today. Like I said, stock gearing, 46 tooth spur, 16 tooth pinion, definitely push the heat. So make note to self on that if you're going to try to run this vehicle. Also lost a tire, back, rear, right. Thing came unglued. I think I lost the foam. I don't see the foam anywhere, and I'm not gonna go look for it. So looks like I got some work to do. Thank God I got some spare foams to put on there. But either way, very fun to do this conversion. Man, I had a blast out there today. And like always, appreciate the time. Every time, hit like and subscribe for more content like this.